In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy gold in Lost Ark. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to buy gold legally inside of Lost Ark, all that you have to do is open up the Lost Ark Cash Shop. You can do so by pressing F4 at any time, and it will bring you to the main window of the Cash Shop. Now, select Currency Exchange as I've highlighted over here. When you tap Currency Exchange, you will be redirected to another page where you can see the current prices for gold and crystals. The way the game operates is that you can trade your crystals that you can purchase for real money into gold. You will be selling the crystal to other players depending on the amount of gold that they offer. So use the function to purchase gold that I've highlighted here. You will be able to input the sale price, the quantity, the purchase cost, and then you will see the estimated results of how much gold you are going to be getting per the transaction amount. Like I said, this is the best and legal way to buy gold because some third-party tools or third-party websites do exist that allow you to buy gold, but I'm not going to go over them in this video because they are bannable by the terms of service of Lost Ark. You will receive your gold legally and immediately into your account this way. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy gold in Lost Ark. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.